Though, but we just have to while away time. You see, this is how we enjoy ourselves here live in Shomolu, the Youth Coalition. The movement is already on, and we are making headways. We are doing big things, and as you can see, the guys are all enjoying themselves. They just start our road thanks to the local government chairman and some other, well, there's development going on, but you can see the houses now. Look at the buildings. You see new uprising. In the next 10 years to come, I'm sure this place will be different. And even this house that I'm standing in right now, it's going to be different. Well, the guy in all suits there is an Ogumbi too, where he's a coach. We have some discussion going on about bringing children together, running the competition, helping youth with my X channel 29. I've said some great things there, an NGO coming up. We have to bring good things to the public. Give you good vibe. Yeah, that's that's Hardy. He's a star too, upcoming star. The big oh, that's my other G, BJ. Then that's another G there. That's the other guy they call URB or your. That's Jerry. It's crowded, man. Guys are enjoying themselves. This other guy with the goat cap, sliced bread. That's Julius. That's Bobo. Yeah. What's going on over there now? It's just one or two. What's going on? The basketball. There's a crowd. They're rushing there. What's going on? Yeah, but anyways, we don't talk about chaos. We only talk about progress. Let's not watch chaos. But as you can see, we are doing well. Boys have to be boys, And this is what it means to be alive. Nobody's running competition with anybody, but you just want to be alive, to do the right thing all the time. Everybody's just enjoying themselves. When chaos come and they rush there to calm it down. The mothers are coming out now. That's how the society look like. The mother, that's one of our street as I. Yeah, that girl was a very small girl. Now she has tattoo. Oh, well, she's doing well for herself anyway. Yeah, everybody enjoy their life as you please, as you want. God will call you into account of your own actions. So the past will always be the past, but the present, he's entertaining or he's a coach. No chaos. We only expect progress now. God will always be there for us, and if you are not there for yourself, you are expecting that other people will be always at your back. No, nobody have time for rubbish now. Everybody have his own life. All of us are in our 30s now. We don't have our own children yet. We don't have wife, but we also need to be thinking out. We are responsible too. Yes, we are responsible. It's just a matter of time. But as the matter of time is going to, age is there. It's when you make a step. When you take a step, that you see the difference. Then that time you will know. And this is the right time now to take that step. Yeah. This is the right time to take that step. All the knowledge, all the things that we have gathered in Shomolu here, anywhere we are going next, it should be, it should be progress, because it's not easy to live in a dump site like this. Always inside chuku, inside pitchy, things biting you here and there, but yet people are still cool. That house down there, they are like 200 living in that house. Yeah, that small house there, 200 individuals, and it's not upstairs. My brother, yes, my brother, this world don't go, and yet life never still change for them. They still dey like that. The place won't be like village. Guy, the system has failed. It has failed. They have nothing to offer the youth again. So as the youth coalition, as the commissioner of the youth coalition, I've taken it upon myself to call them into order. Yes, they have to pay attention to the youth. We should not just waste our life away like this, and before you know it, they enter their 30s, become frustrated. They are already smoking. So, and now they enter their 30s. What do you think? They will be highly frustrated. So you need to start engaging these people, in the tech industry. Start making them active, making them productive. Give them phones, give them assignment on those phones to start doing. That's why the Sponity group has a program coming up, the Sponity educational program. The program is going to help youth, give them a smartphone, open a university course on the phone, and keep up with the person as you are doing. Keep up. Yeah, that's one of our friends, Kike. Yeah, she's a fine girl. She's doing well for herself too. Anyway, yeah, so we are enjoying the community. So as I was saying, the Sponity, we are bringing big things coming up. Give you phones, install on your phones apps that you can educate yourself with. Become familiar with the day-to-day activities. Especially in the educational way, to learn, to be educated, to get a benefit of what you are learning. You are not just paying or wasting your data or nothing. You will be gaining something, and you get a certificate that you can use in the future to get a job, to advance yourself. So that's what we are trying to do. And the game has started again. The game has started again. So let's enjoy it. You see the pop-up guy. This is what the Ghanaians used to be doing in Nigeria here before they had to. That story, I'm still coming up with a big story about that. They were selling pop-up all in Nigeria here, but the people just lock up on them one time. I don't know. They even use, some traditional, reinforcement to take them back to their home. They just became cold on them, started deporting them back. People were even running for their lives. They just called Yakubu. No, that guy is fucked up. I knew him from very, very young age. He has been doing well. I think he can use both feet to kick. So, a lot of things coming up. So, my people, we all here. We're making things for ourselves. I'm going to post this on YouTube, my YouTube channel, and people, go out, enjoy yourself. These are time. BLO 31st is coming up. BLO 31st is coming up. That will be on the day that man got to reach. We are getting into the age of the same age where Jesus Christ was. So BLO 31st is something that's going to engage a lot of people. I'm going to unveil myself out there, as a star, as a man of common sense, directly in the image of God. I represent God as a man. I represent the society. I represent humanity. Everything that I do or everything that I teach is to bring sense into humanity and call ourselves into order. We have failed, and we just need to identify the fact and start fixing it in the best way possible by thinking positively. We have all been thinking towards doom all the time. It can never be doom. God never proposed that man should die. Oh yes, we are dying, but it's a matter of fact now that what you are going to do now to gain salvation. We have all been talking about doom for a very long time. So everybody just want to fail. That's why they went ahead and created, nuclear weapons to get themselves, kicked out of the whole world. But no, the day they press that button, it won't work. And that's it.